Alright, so it looks like we have a new software update, 2024.26.11. So we can go to the release notes. Here you can see Tesla Vision Park Assist now displays a high fidelity 3D representation of the world around your vehicle, including the proximity and shape of nearby objects, barriers, vehicles, and painted road markings. You can use Park Assist with or without audible feedback. To turn chimes on or off, go to Control, Safety, Park Assist Chimes. Note that Park Assist is for guidance purposes only and is not a substitute for an alert driver. Remain attentive and avoid obstacles as required. Right, and then I guess this is old stuff. YouTube Music, Amazon Music, and Castle Doompad, parental controls. Yeah, this is old stuff. Alright. Yeah, alright, this is old things. Okay. Anyway, so let's go ahead and run this update. And yeah, it says it'll take about 55 minutes, so we'll let that run, and then we'll see you guys then. Bye for now. Alright, as you can see, the update finished, 2024.26.11, and basically just says the same stuff. So we're going to go to a parking spot and test it out. Left. Alright, here we are at a charging station. You can see it thinks all the chargers are cones. Kind of weird, but okay. Let's go ahead and see what it shows when we get closer. It shows a bunch of cones. Huh. So it just sees these as cones. So that's not what I was expecting. It makes it look like I'm actually, oh, there you go. Okay. Now I can actually see the 3D thing. Okay. And you can see we're pretty close to that one. It thinks I'm gonna hit it, but no, we got room. Okay, you see that? So it's showing these. Let me zoom out so you can see. I don't know if you can see everything at once. It's hard for me to pay attention to everything at once. But, okay. And now it turned back into cones. Why is it showing I'm in the cone? Okay, so you can see here, I got plenty of room. Okay, put on there. Okay, now it's showing correctly. I just wanted to show that. Alright, so there you go. You can see, it also thinks I'm going to hit the bushes, but here you can see in the camera I have a lot of room. Okay, so there you go. Right, not really much else. It thinks I'm actually in the thing, so yeah, I think when it shows stop, you probably have at least a foot or so of space, and that's what it shows for the chargers. And there you go. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye.